Hi there everybody, on today's video I'm going to show you how to remove and replace the air filter on this C180 Mercedes. It's a 2006, and basically if you get the bonnet open, what we need to do is we need to remove this cover here, which has got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 Torx bits, and you can use a T25 for that. And if we take this out, they don't need to come out all the way. Once you undone those, then you can lift this cover . Take it out, and that's where the filter sits. Now I've already replaced these, so basically you just take it out and pull it out, and when you get the new one, this little groove here fits in there. So just get your new filter and push it in there and down. Just make sure it's sitting down. Of course you can clean the compartment in there, because sometimes it's got leaves and things, such as this one has some, but I will clean it in a minute, but this is just to show you how you do it. And you can then refit this cover and tighten the just refit this cover and tighten the Torx bits. And that's it. So hope this video helps, and thanks for watching.